Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's video we'll be looking at the US dollar, Japanese yen, and I'm starting off on the weekly time frame. As you can see from the video, the last 6 weeks candles here to the upside 2 to 3 times larger than any of the candles which we've had in the previous couple of years. This is due to the crisis in Ukraine. And we've had a couple of trades on this one previously which have come off quite nicely. And if you look back to the left here, you can see that we're now on the 2015 highs. The purpose of today's trading idea is actually to take a long at the market. I'll be marking this up shortly. We're going to be taking a long at the market, which is buying high with a view to selling even higher. And if we come to the monthly time frame, you can see where it is I'm aiming, because we have obviously a huge crisis on our hands, and that's when prices really do move. You can see the 134 area here I've marked up. We're currently still at the 125 area, but 134 is marked up, and that is the high which was created in way back in 2001, would you believe. So the trading idea for today is to take this long trade at the market. I'm going to be marking this up now. So we'll be taking the long trade at the market. The target is going to be way up here at 134, which is some way away, and the stop will be underneath the recent lows on the daily time frame. So the logic behind the trade is, as you can see, we're really firing to the upside. A small pullback there. There may be a small pullback here as well, but the momentum is such that you have to be with the buyers to the long side. As you can see here, I think waiting for any further pullback means we'll miss the trade entirely. So I'll be going in long at the market. It's the 125 area. The stop is going to be underneath 124.27, and the target up here is going to be at 134.90. So that is the trading idea for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live Forex video trading update.